Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Ageber TV. I want to personally thank you guys again for being a part of this journey. Thank you for watching the videos, thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. I know some of you guys may be wondering why you're not seeing me posting the Peanut Dread Uncut videos as often as I used to. Well, nothing is really wrong. It's all about availability on my part and also on Peanut Dread part. That is part of it. Another reason why is that Peanut Dread have its own channel too, which is trying to build. So I'm trying to give him a little space. You understand? Me and Peanut Dread is cool. I spoke to Peanut Dread all the time. I spoke to Peanut Dread yesterday. Me and Peanut Dread is cool. So the reason why you might not seen Peanut Dread Uncut videos posting that often is because of my availability and his availability, and I'm also giving him a little space. In the meantime, if you have a question that you would like me to ask Peanut Dread, please leave it in the comment. And I'm also thinking about making videos of the best of Peanut Dread Uncut, get the best jokes, get the best laugh from those videos for you guys. Let me know if you want me to do that, all right? Big up on yourself and stay tuned for more Peanut Dread stuff, all right? Later.